What's up guys, in this video I will show you a mobile payment app that allows users to send and receive payments conveniently. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Paysenger. Landing page link will be in the description of the video, paysenger.com as well. So what is Paysenger exactly? Paysenger is a mobile payment app that allows you, the users, to send and receive money more conveniently and then securely through your smartphone. So it provides a digital wallet where users could also store their payment information and easily manage their finances easily, split bills with friends, pay merchants, and transfer funds to other users. And as you could see guys, it is available here for you to go ahead and sign up on, right? If you click on sign up for free, you can go ahead and check them out as well. So there's no money involved when you sign up. You can go ahead and test it out and see for yourself what are the features and the benefits that it could offer you. So what are the problems that Paysenger has solved? So it eliminates the need for physical transactions, reducing the risk of loss or theft of cash and cards, all those inconveniences that we actually can experience or most likely will experience on a day-to-day basis. And in my case guys, I seldomly use cash already. Basically, I just carry my smartphone and then use a digital wallet that I could use to pay merchants for my orders and all those stuff. So that is one thing that Paysenger could also offer. So you could go ahead and check them out right now. So they also offer a solution for peer-to-peer payments, enables users to quickly, easily pay the bills and transfer money to your friends and your family. And additionally guys, it streamlines the merchant payments by allowing users to make purchases with just a few taps on their smartphones, eliminating the need for physical cards or cash. And during this times guys, we really just got used to digital payments already because of the COVID situation that we've experienced before. Additionally guys, Paysenger often offers promotions and rewards for providing users with incentives to make payments through their application. And this is also a part of Paysenger. This is their native token guys. And as you can see guys, it is sold out already for the IDO. So Ego token is the native cryptocurrency token of the Paysenger app. So users may earn rewards, receive discounts on transaction fees, or gain access to exclusive features by using the Ego tokens. It also provides additional benefits and incentives to users who hold and use the Ego tokens within the app. So Ego tokens guys can be purchased, earned through loyalty programs, or obtained through various promotional programs, or you could also obtain that with various promotional activities within the Paysenger app. And just like what I mentioned earlier, you could go ahead and sign up for free. The use of the Ego tokens aims to enhance the user experience and create a vibrant ecosystem within the Paysenger community. So you could go ahead and check them out guys. All of the links will be in the description of the video. Go ahead and do your own research, but this is something that I would strongly recommend that you go ahead and check out, because this is something that you can utilize and use on a daily basis. So if you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. And then wait for the end screen guys. Check out our other videos that we have created previously. I'm sure that it's going to be beneficial for you. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.